told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
You have goals that you have set in your life. You have targets that you need to achieve in your life. Every day, you wake up with new targets. But one thing I can assure you is, if you don't stiffen up, block your ears with stones, you will not achieve. If you throw stones at every dog that bark at you, you will never reach your destination. This quote means, in life you don't have to respond to every negative feedback. There are certain feedback or whatever people say in life which just needs to be ignored. Matter of fact, majority of what people say needs to be ignored in order for you to succeed. The very moment you start responding to what people say to you negatively about what you're doing, criticizing every step that you make, you will not achieve. You will not reach your destination. Don't throw stones at all the dogs that bark at you. It may be worth throwing stones to some few dogs who bark at you, some few people, who may talk ill about you, but not to everybody. And the fact is not to me. Thank you.